In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Gumroad account. Verifying your Gumroad account is an essential step to ensure you can smoothly process payments and manage your sales on the platform. I'll walk you through this process in just a few simple steps. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Gumroad account. You can do this by visiting gumroad.com. Enter your login details as you normally would, and once you're in, you'll be ready to move on. Now, head on over to the settings section. You can usually find this option located in the upper right-hand corner of the page, represented by a gear icon or under a drop-down menu depending on your setup. Accessing the settings will enable you to make necessary adjustments to your account. Once you're in the settings area, you'll need to locate the section labeled either Payout or Payments. This section is crucial as it contains the details pertaining to your financial transactions on Gumroad. Navigating here will set the stage for you to proceed with the verification process. If your account has not yet been verified, a prompt will appear asking you for your location. Providing accurate information here is vital, as it ensures that your account is compliant with local and international regulatory requirements. Take a moment to carefully fill in these details. Next, you'll notice there are several items on a checklist that you need to address. These items are usually related to verifying your identity or confirming certain account details. Check off each item on this list with diligence. It's important to review them thoroughly to avoid any potential issues with your account setup or future payments. Once you've completed the checklist, the final step is to hit the Save button. This action confirms your information and sends your verification request for processing. After you hit Save, your account will be verified, enabling you to access all the features Gumroad has to offer for handling your online sales effectively. With these simple steps, you've now verified your Gumroad account. This process is quite straightforward, but if you run into any difficulties, be sure to check out Gumroad's support resources or contact their customer service for additional help. Verifying your account not only ensures smooth operation within the platform, but also builds trust with your buyers and increases your credibility as a seller. Thank you for tuning in today. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments you might have below. Happy selling!